Hey, so if Dropbox is using too much CPU on your Windows PC, yeah, like your fan is loud, your system is lagging, or everything feels slow, that can be really annoying. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, open Task Manager and check what Dropbox is actually doing. I mean, high CPU usually means it's syncing or stuck on a file. Next, yeah, pause syncing for a few minutes. If CPU drops, it means Dropbox was overloaded with file processing. Now, restart Dropbox completely, close it from the system tray, and open it again to reset background activity. Yeah, large files or tons of small files can increase CPU usage. I mean, Dropbox works harder when syncing heavy folders. If possible, move very large files or unnecessary folders out of your Dropbox directory. This can reduce CPU load instantly. Now, use selective sync to stop syncing folders you don't need. Yeah, this reduces background processing. Sometimes antivirus software scans every Dropbox file, which increases CPU usage. Try excluding the Dropbox folder from scans. Yeah, make sure Dropbox is updated. Older versions can have performance bugs that increase CPU usage. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Dropbox. This fixes corrupted sync processes that can cause high CPU usage. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox high CPU usage on Windows. Most of the time, it's syncing overload, large files, or background processes. Try these steps, and your PC should run much smoother. Thanks for watching.